Here we have a 2011 GMC Terrain all-wheel drive. With only 173,000 kilometers and a fuel-efficient 2.4-liter engine. This vehicle features CD player with USB and auxiliary, heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel controls, powered windows, powered locks, and powered mirrors. This vehicle is selling for $7,450 plus taxes, and we do accept status cards. We offer many financing options, including our in-house financing plan. All of our vehicles come with a Manitoba Safety, a 3-month, 3,000 kilometer powertrain warranty, and a 1-week, 500 kilometer check engine light warranty. To view this vehicle, come down to 1429 Clarence Avenue. Our phone number is 204-229-3838. Or you can visit www.boyceauto.ca.